If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. A simple way to create a basic data entry form in Access is to use the form wizard provided by Access. To create a basic data entry form in Access by using the form wizard, click the Form Wizard button that appears in the Forms button group on the Create tab of the ribbon. In the first screen of the Form Wizard dialog box, select the name of the table or query upon which to base the form from the Tables and Queries dropdown. Below that, use the buttons available to move the fields to add to the form from the Available Fields list to the Selected Fields list. To create a form that also shows data from a related table in the database within a subform, then repeat the process of selecting the related table and its form fields in this screen. When finished, click the Next button to continue. Continue answering the questions posed to you in each screen of the Form Wizard, which can change based on your previous selections, and then click the Next button to continue. After completing all the screens and naming your new form, click the Finish button at the end of the Form Wizard to create a basic data entry form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.